students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson force revision video. First one, dictation words. First one, object. O-B-J-E-C-T, object. O-B-J-E-C-T, object. Motion, M-O-T-I-O-N, motion. Direction, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N, direction. Speed, S-P-E-E-D, speed. S-P-E-E-D, speed. Inflated, I-N-F-L-A-T-E-D, inflated. Contact, C-O-N-T-A-C-T, contact. C-O-N-T-A-C-T, contact. Bulldozer, B-U-L-L, bulldozer. D-O-Z-E-R, B-U-L-L-D-O-Z-E-R, bulldozer. Exert, E-X-E-R-T, E-X-E-R-T. Slide, S-L-I-D-E, S-L-I-D-E, slide. 10th one, attract, A-T-T-R-A-C-T, A-T-T-R-A-C-T. 11th one, pedal, P-E-D-A-L, P-E-D-A-L, pedal. 12th one, action, A-C-T-I-O-N. 13th one, trust, T-U-R-S-T, T-U-R-S-T. Drag, D-R-A-G, drag, D-R-A-G, drag. 15th one, press, P-R-E-S-S, press, P-R-E-S-S, press. 16th one, push, P-U-S-H, P-U-S-H. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. Dash is the motion which gives the required result. Dash is the motion which gives the required result. Action, A-C-T-I-O-N, action. Okay. Second one, dash can be lift or drop an object. Dash can be lift or drop an object. Force, what is that? Force, F-O-R-C-E, F-O-R-C-E, force. Third one, force changes the speed of an object. Force changes the dash of an object. Force can change the speed. What is the spelling for speed? S-P-E-E-D, speed. S-P-E-E-D, speed. The force applied by a machine is called. The force applied by a machine is called mechanical force. Mechanical force. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C-A-L, mechanical. Mechanical force. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C-A-L, mechanical force, F-O-R-C-E. The frictional force between the stones created the spark. Which force created the spark? Frictional force. Frictional force, F-R-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-L, frictional force. F-R-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-L, frictional force. Next one, true or false? We need energy to apply force. We need energy to apply force. True or false? Yes, true, because we need energy to apply the force. We use frictional force to ride the bicycle. We use frictional force to ride the bicycle. False. The earth attracts all the object itself. True. If you have any doubt about this, you just take a pen or pencil or anything else, you just leave it. Did the earth attracts or not? Then you will get the answer. Rainfall always comes down due to the gravitational force. Rainfall always comes down due to the gravitational force. True or false? True. In the space, rainfall do not fell down because of lack of gravitational force. Magnet attract dust particles. Did magnet attract the dust particles? No. Then what the magnet attracts? Iron pieces and some metals. Right? Okay, so it is a false. Fourth one, match the following. Look at this. Muscular force. What is the example for muscular force? Kicking a ball. Kicking a ball, riding cycle is the examples for the muscular force. Gravitational force. Example, a leaf is falling from a tree. Not only the leaf. For example, if you take any object in your hand and you just leave it, then what it will happen? It reaches the ground. It attracts the object. That is nothing but the gravitational force. Mixer grinder. It is a mechanical force. Mixer grinder, it is a mechanical force. Magnet. Magnet attract iron. Magnet attract iron. And pulling the trolley. Pulling the trolley. What we are applying here? Force. We are applying force. Fifth one, choose the correct answer. A force is applied by touching the object. By touching the object, you have to find that word. Touching the object means we are in a contact with some other else, right? That is called contact force. If we are not touching anything, even though the force was generated, then it is called non-contact force. Here we are touching the object, then the force was produced. That is contact force. The unit for force is Newton. Unit for force is Newton. It is denoted by the letter N. Non-contact force is a magnet. Non-contact force, example, magnet. Less force is required in pull. Less force is required in pull. We open a window, it is a pull or push? Push. Closing the window is a pull. Opening the window is a push. Next one, answer the following. First question, how do we open door? How do we open the door? We apply force to open the door. We apply force to open the door. Name the types of forces. How many forces are there, children? There are two types of forces are there. First one, contact force and non-contact force. Contact force, non-contact force. What kind of force is used to make clay pot? What kind of force? Frictional force. Frictional force is used to make clay pot. Clay pot. Which force? Frictional force. Which force is involved in collection of water from the well? We are collecting the water from the well. Which force we are applying? Taking the we can use two kinds of forces, one mechanical force and muscular force. Mechanical force we can use during it is having the motor in the well, then it is called mechanical force. We are pulling the water from the well is a muscular force. So you can write your own, either muscular force or mechanical force. Next one, what is the definition? What is the definition for push? What is the definition for push? When a force is applied in the direction of an object, when the force is applied in the direction of an object is called push.